Nicky Nick on the track.
Sipping this pink, I be grooving this bitch. Gun on my hip, fuck around and get flipped. Slimy as shit, just me and my bitch.
Damn.
50 drum clip, hang out the window, we gon' blow him a kiss. Yeah, hold up.
What?
Hold on. Alright, we just got this Chick-fil-A shit. Why is this shit wet?
What?
Shit wet.
What are you talking about?
Chick-fil-A sauce?
It's not.
Oh. What the hell?
Waiting for your drink to be mixed up. Having a mukbang?
Yeah. Mini fake man.
How?
We got a Chick-fil-A because we already it's gonna get done. We about to see Final Destination in 30 minutes.
We're gonna make it?
Yeah.
How far is it from here?
20 minutes. You know, in the movie, they be playing all them ads. You can go to the movies. The movie started at 6:30. It really don't start till like 6:45, 6:50. So you think you late to a movie? You 15 minutes late? You probably just on time.
Sometimes.
I don't think I ever been where. Oh, maybe that one time it started like right away. Well,
They just got their tickets right now. They're asking for the seat numbers, but I guess we're around here somewhere.
I'm gonna tell you. It don't matter.
Too late now. I already got tickets.
Say no more. Starting to be that summertime, man. Shit about to. I don't know. I just feel like this summer about to be lit. Like, but NBA, I don't know why. He waited to go to tour after summer. Literally, like, the tickets drop, and
3 days?
tomorrow, actually Monday,
Tuesday.
a.m.
It's Tuesday.
Bro,
They send the link on Monday.
you know, niggas gonna have to be like, we're gonna have to be like on like a call. Cause when they drop, it's not like you can just buy tickets. Like, you gotta actually pick where you're gonna be at. So like, it's like you can't just be like, all right, but I got a ticket. No, like, you gotta pick your seat. And like, I don't even know if we don't even know how it's gonna be. Like, if they're gonna have like a place for everybody just like on the floor, or is it all gonna be seats? It's in a basketball stadium. But I know when I was at Rod Wave concert at Wells Fargo, they had like, it was seats, but then they had people like on the floor So they probably will, but that's where I don't know. Like, do you want to be on the floor? It's gonna be hard for you to see.
Right, what be? Until once we get to the front.
Get to the front, we're gonna have to. Right when we get off a flight from Dallas, we're gonna have to just go there and sleep there. Literally, like. Niggas gonna be camping out. All type of shit.
I might have a tent. I can bring it.
I'm gonna sleep on the ground. If y'all gonna be at that Dallas concert, bro, let me know in the comments, bro, cause I'm gonna be there. I made up my mind. Like, Dallas gonna be at what? September 2nd? The Philly concert not till October 3rd. Like, come on, bro, that's a whole month. Niggas already been seeing shit. Like, niggas gonna be waiting. I'm like, nah. He about to be at the first one. The most legendary one.
So we gotta be front row.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna be like celebrities there.
What does that mean?
They're like, tickets gonna go quick. For the first one, like, that's gonna be the hardest ones to get. So I'm thinking, like, I have like 3 different devices up. For New York, we don't gotta, cause we gonna probably be in like a suite. But for Philly and Dallas, we in the mix. We in the pit. DR trip coming up. How you feel about that?
I need to get my stuff ready.
What stuff?
My outfits.
I was thinking that. That's
My
why I was like,
shoes.
let's go to the outlets, but we do it a different time. I need some new clothes, bro. Some work clothes. I need some
Shorts.
Yeah, I'm gonna get. I don't know where I'm gonna get my shorts from. I think my man's gonna. He be getting good shorts, so I'm gonna ask him where he. I think he told me, but I just gotta look. I forget what it was called. Definitely need some new shorts. Need some shirt. Need some more NBA shirts for real, for real. I'm gonna throw some of my shirts out. DR trip locked in.
Our room is due by the end of the month. Our room is due by the end of the month.
How much that cost? Is it like $300?
I think so.
Oh yeah, should I switch the flight? So you said she switched her flight. Like, what flight are they going on? Your
No,
mom?
they switched it from where,
They come in, right?
no, they switched it from, like, NDR, which one they're taking.
Which airport are they coming back on to?
JFK.
What airport they switched? Why they switched to one in DR?
Because, you know how, like, when we're leaving, they're staying. longer somewhere else.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess they got confused, or maybe they made it longer and they're staying in another city, so they're gonna make it the closest airport to where they're gonna be at.
The closest airport where they gonna be. Type shot. Cause I can change the flight to like where we come in at, like when we come back to Philly.
That's what I was asking.
But I'm not gonna be able to do that because our car gonna be up there.
That's right.
I'll be using Expedia for all my stays, flights, cars, everything.
I don't know if I feel like eating this.
Wait till we get the movies. That's what I was about to do. Because I don't feel like eating mine right now either. We get the same meal. Chick-fil-A sandwich. Fries. Lemonade. Let me know what y'all get from Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's valid or not. I mean, anything you get probably gonna be good regardless.
I get the salad.
Chicken salad. Have you ever got that, bro?
I don't know. It's the first time I finished my fries before you.
I be doing it all the time. I be getting the large fry. That's why. For these little ones at the bottom be cooking me.
I know. I gave up on mine.
For real. So you didn't even finish yours?
I could barely even grab them.
Oh, your nails?
That's how I broke the one. Because now, like, whenever like I grab things, like I'm not grabbing it with grip. It's like the edge of my nails. So I went to grab the handle and then slip right off and break it.
But yeah, we about to go to the movies. See Final Destination 2. We gonna let y'all know if it's good or not. Right when I booked it, I just seen a tweet from DDJ talking about Final Destination is the worst movie ever. So we gonna say.
I might close my eyes all the time.
Go to sleep.
I'm just gonna keep them closed.
That's like a challenge. So like keep your eyes closed the whole movie and not be asleep. You think you'll do that?
Yeah.
I don't think so. It means you would have to have your eyes closed for 2 hours without going to sleep.
My eyes closed, my ears open.
Yeah, you're just gonna be like this the whole time
I'll be listening to everything.
for 2 hours. That's crazy.
That's it.
Yeah.
I did that on a ride one time. I was so scared of the ride because my eyes closed all the time.
Yeah, I do that all the time. That's the best way to ride any ride.
No, it's not. It actually makes it worse.
Fuck a roller coaster. I was trying to beat a case. I ain't beat that case, but I did the race.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
You sure?